Hi, good day, teacher. My name is Fabio Alexander Vasquez. The next, the activity for English class. The happiest day of my life. The happiest day of my life was when I knew my daughter. It was something very special for me. She was 7 days old and we had unique connection. I fell in love. That day marked a turning point in my life. From that day on, I became many habits and also started a life project. Another happy day, Deportivo Cali Champions 2021. I'm a fan of Deportivo Cali. In 2021, the team won the championship. At that time, it was a cup joy because I watched all the games, bet money, and it was during the month of December, is the holiday season. Another happy day, my daughter graduation. When kindergarten graduation was celebrated, it was a very special day, filled with emotion, joy, pride, and satisfaction. As well as a first achievement that was attained through teamwork, overcoming many new challenges. Another happy day, yesterday, April 14, was a very happy day for me. I shared several recreational activities with my daughter at least throughout that day. Playing with them is something I love. It recharges me with positive energy. Mishap. My first traffic accident. My vehicle was hit by a motorcycle who apparently confused his brake with the accelerator. When I heard the impact, the motorcyclist had fallen into my car. I felt nervous, but overall it was nothing serious. No one was injured. Favorite trip, Páramo de Sumapaz. This trip was very special. A friend and took tour into the Sumapaz mountain range, starting in the town of Usme, Bogota. We faced the coldest weather ever experienced. We saw incredible natural landscapes, and I hope to repeat that experience again. Favorite trip, bike ride. I participated in a cycling event called Invincible, covering 140 kilometers between Cundinamarca and Tolima within a set time. The activity started at 10 p.m. and ended at 10 a.m. Pedaling in the middle of the night in such legendary places as Armero was a total challenge, pushing my body to its maximum level of effort and endurance. An unforgettable experience. Favorite trip? Pool. Last year, I went with my daughter to the wake park in Girardot. An exciting trip as the wave pool was a new experience for her. At first, she was very nervous about the dynamics of the waves, but little by little she felt more confident, and after a few minutes she didn't want to leave. He also overcame her fear of going down the slides, which was a big step forward. Sad moment. Lot's bicycle when they stole a bicycle that had accompanied me for more than 10 years. A companion of threats and very special experience, even though there was no violence. I was emotionally affected of many days. That separation was undoubtable the one that has caused me the most sadness in recent years. That moment, first separation. Many years ago, I experienced my first breakup in a romantic relationship. It was a sad moment, as it was my first time being separated. I felt somewhat bitter and negative emotion for a few months. Without a doubt, that first experience leaves a mark of everyone's memories. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.